Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video we will create this kind of earrings made of pink quartz and labradorite stone. Let's start. For it we will need eye pins, head pin, earring clasp, this is lever back, and beads. I have in 10mm, 8mm and 6 pink quartz, square and 6mm labradorite stone, this kind of acrylic flower, and 6mm square crystal in pink. As well you will need the pliers for it. First of all, we will prepare all our small details what we need for our earring. We will start with our acrylic flower. I take acrylic flower, then head pin, crystal. I enter in the crystal and into our flower. And I create a loop with my round nose pliers. Then pin quartz, enter with eye pin, bend it, and our top loop will be double to make our earrings more secure. For it I will leave quite long tail here and I will make a double loop. Then labradorite stone, we do all the same. All necessary parts are ready. First of all, take our flower and the smallest pink quartz, open the loop on our flower and attach it to the double loop of our pink quartz. Then labradorite stone. This time we open our single loop on pink quartz and attach it to the double loop of our labradorite. Make sure one of the loops is single and one of the loops is double. And attach it to the clasp. Our earrings are ready. You can play with different materials here. The main idea is from the biggest bead to the smallest bead. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to comment below and like this video to help my channel grow. and help other people to start their own new hobby. See you soon in my next videos. Have a nice day. Bye!